This video lesson is all about finding the equation of the line. We have three forms of the line. The first one is the slope-intercept form, or the y is equals to mx plus b. If you're given have slope and y-intercept, you will use this form. Find the equation of the line whose graph has a slope of 2 and an intercept of 4. Going back to our given, our slope is 2 and our y-intercept is 4. So we will just substitute the values of m and b in this slope-intercept form. So copy y equals our m is 2, and then copy x plus our y-intercept is 4. This is the slope-intercept form of the line. So we will change it into the standard form. Ax plus by equals c. So this is the left side and this is the right side. We need to transpose 2x from the right to the left. So positive 2x will become negative 2x. And then copy y. It is positive, then equals copy 4. The numerical coefficient of x should always be positive. So what will we do is to multiply negative 1 to the whole equation. So we have negative 1 times negative 2x, that is positive 2x. Negative 1 times y, that is negative y. And then negative 1 times 4, that is negative 4. So as you can observe, we will change all the sign of the given inside the parentheses. This is the equation of the line. The second form of the line is the point-slope form. So here is the point-slope form. We have y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. If you have given m, which is the slope, and a point, which will become the x sub 1 and y sub 1, you will use this form. Find the equation of the line whose graph has slope of 4 and a point 3 and negative 3. Going back to our example, so our slope is 4 and then it will pass through the point 3 and negative 3. So 3 will be x sub 1 and negative 3 will be y sub 1. And then we will just substitute with the given. So we will copy y minus y sub 1 is negative 3 equals our m is 4 and then x minus our x sub 1 is 3. Then we will just simplify. Copy y, negative times negative 3, that will become positive 3 equals distribute 4 times x, that will become 4x. 4 times negative 3, that will become negative 12. And then, we will transpose the terms with variables in the left side and then the constant on the right side. So, y is at the correct position, so we will just copy it. And then 3 is positive. We need to transpose it to the other side. So, positive 3 will become negative 3. And then we have 4x. It should be on the left side. So, positive 4x will become negative 4x. And then y is positive. And then copy negative 12. Next, simplify. We have negative 4x plus y equals negative 3 minus 12. They have the same sign. So, we will just add them and then copy the sign. Since the numerical coefficient of x is negative, we will multiply the whole equation by negative 1. And then we will change all the sign inside the parentheses. Negative 4x will become positive 4x. Positive y will become negative y. Negative 15 will become positive 15. So here is the equation of the line. Third form of the line is the two-point form. Is y minus y sub 1 is equals to the y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. So if you have 2 points as your given, you will use this form. Find the equation of the line that passes through the points 2 and 3 and 4 and negative 2. So going back to our example, our points are 2 and 3, 4 and negative 2. So we will assign the first coordinates as sub 1 and then the second coordinates as sub 2. And then we will substitute with the two-point form. So we have y minus y sub 1 is 3 equals y sub 2 is negative 2 minus y sub 1 is 3 over x sub 2 is 4 minus x sub 1 is 2 times x minus x sub 1 is 2. And then we will simplify. Y minus 3 equals negative 2 minus 3, same sign, add, copy their sign, so we have negative 5 over 4 minus 2, we have 2, and then copy x minus 2. And then, we will distribute negative 5 over 2 inside the parentheses. So we have negative 5 over 2 times x, that is negative 5 over 2x. We have negative 5 over 2 times negative 2. So we can cancel 2. It will become 1. So we have negative 5 times negative, that will become positive 5. And then, we will use the left and the right side. All the terms with variables should be at the left side, and then all the constant at the right side. So y is at the correct side, so we will just copy. Negative 3 should be at the right side, so it will become positive 3. Negative 5 over 2x should be at the left side, so we will transpose it. It will become positive 5 over 2x. Y is positive, and then copy positive 5. And then we will simplify. 5 over 2x plus y equals 3 plus 5, that is 8. And then to make the numerical coefficient of x be a whole number, we will multiply the whole equation by the denominator 2. And then 2 divided by 2, that is 1, times 5, that is 5, and then copy x. 2 times y, that is 2y, equals 2 times 8, that is 16. So this is the equation of the line.